Imagine you wake up one morning and realize that there's no news on the internet. No Wi-Fi, no mobile data, nothing. At first, you might think it's a temporary problem. You turn your modem off and on, you restart your phone, but it's no use. Gradually, worry replaces surprise. You eat breakfast and want to check the day's news as usual, but no website's open. You want to talk to your friends on social media, but your messages aren't sent. You turn on the TV, maybe there's news there, but news channels are also having problems because many of their news sources are online. Little by little, you realize that this isn't just a simple outage. The internet is gone forever. The first day is full of chaos and confusion. Many jobs come to a standstill. Banks can't process transactions because their systems depend on the internet. Stores can't swipe credit cards and only accept cash. Traffic gets heavier because there are no more online navigation apps, and people don't know the routes. Communications revert to traditional forms. People resort to landline phones to get news from each other. Paper letters become important again, and the radio becomes the most important source of news. In the following days, life gradually takes on a new form. People talk more to their neighbors, board games become popular again, and libraries get busier. Skills that had been forgotten, like map reading and appliance repair, become valuable again. Universities and research centers face a major problem because access to scientific resources and communication with colleagues around the world has been cut off. The progress of science and technology slows down. The entertainment sector also changes. There are no more online movies and series. Game consoles become very limited without an internet connection, and people return to traditional entertainment like storytelling, live music, and theater. Perhaps at first, this situation seems very difficult and unbearable. But humans are adaptable creatures. Gradually, we learn how to live without the internet. Local communities become stronger. Human relationships deepen. And perhaps we remember that many of the important things in life have nothing to do with the virtual world. Of course, these changes also bring many challenges. The global economy goes into recession, many businesses go bankrupt, and finding information and establishing international communications becomes much harder. But in the end, perhaps this permanent internet outage will make us appreciate the things we have in the real world more and prioritize human connections. Perhaps this is a big shock, but within this shock, there is also an opportunity to return to genuine human values. What do you think? What other events do you think would happen if the internet were gone forever?